Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Macy's unboxing, and it is early this month because I canceled Allure, and I'm not going to wait for Allure. I don't have to wait for it because it's gone, because April was not that great of a box for me. And honestly, May's box looked pretty awful. Like the full size thing in there, I already have a full size of it and I'm not using it. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what your thoughts are about the Allure box when you see unboxings, if you think I did a good thing for canceling it or not, and whether you think I should renew in June or not. I'm waiting for some spoilers to see what's going to happen with that. Anyway, so this month's bag is kind of cute. It says "so fresh and so clean." It is very bright and summery. Let's take out the pink so we can see like better glimpse of color. So it looks a little bit more greeny than it did with the pink in it. It does have an extra little tissue in there because it is a very plasticky bag. It's kind of holding its shape. We have all of the stuff in here. They did have an extra card in here, which I think must be instructions for one of the products. And then this month did have a $5 coupon, which I have already taken out because that's what I do. I take the coupon out first thing. All right, in here, let's start with the perfumes. We have Mount Blanc Explorer for men. I know that that's a pretty popular cologne for men, but Mont Blanc as a brand. There we go. I don't have anybody to try it on, so whatever. That retails for $98 for 3.3 ounces. Oh, yes. Okay. This is Daisy Love. Oh, so sweet. This is one that it's on my list that I want to get because one, it smells amazing. Two, I collect Marc Jacobs, so you know that it's going to be eventually gotten. And this one, it is sweet. Like, it smells so good. It has white raspberry, soft floral notes, and musk. And of course, it's making me sneeze, which is not good. Didn't do that in the store. This retails for $104 for a 3.4 ounce. And I think there's only one size. Maybe there's two sizes. Definitely really enjoy this and really am wanting to purchase this. There's a giant fly in here that is so distracting and I just want to kill it so badly. But it's not lighting long enough. Thought I was going to get it, but I didn't. So those are the perfumes. Continuing on, there are two cleansers, which is kind of weird. I'm not hating on it because I think they're both good cleansers, but I just weird. I know it says "so fresh and so clean," but why do we need two cleansers? Anyway, the first one is the Boscia, however you pronounce it. I think it's Boscia. This is the detoxifying black charcoal cleanser. It retails for $30. I have tried this before. It is super black. This one is sealed, so that's good. And it's a good cleanser. It's not my favorite cleanser, but yeah, I think it's good. And then the other one is from Korres. This is the Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, and this retails for $26. I really like this one. This one I've had some samples of, just like the foil packets, and I've really, really liked them, so I'm excited to have a larger one. And this is one that, when I finish all of my multitude of cleansers that I have, might be on my list of ones to get a full size of. All right, next in here, this is from Clinique. This is a pretty easy liquid eyelining pencil in black. This retails for $22. I'm not gonna open it because I don't use black liner. I don't use eyeliner. So it's going to sit there. Then we have this one. This is the Galactic Invisible Shadow Primer Eraser Liner. That's what the sheet was about. So it says you can help cleanse unwanted smudges in seconds, wipe away black liner that bleeds onto your lower lash line, make your wing eyeliner look perfect. So he says just use the smudge stick and a cotton swab. So I guess you can erase things. Yeah, I can use that. I will. I was thinking that this was, because it says it's a primer, which is weird, but it says it's an undo button. It retails for $17. I'm not sure if this is a full size or not. This looks pretty large. It's 1.6 grams. But yeah, that's kind of cool, actually. Not hating on that as I thought it was going to. All right, and then my last thing in here is from Caudalie. This is the Venosource Thirst Quench Serum, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. I really like Caudalie, so yeah, I'm actually a lot happier with this box than I thought I was going to be, because I thought this was like one of those shadow sticks, and I was like, ugh. But yeah, that I feel like I could definitely use, especially when you get like stuff down here. It's supposed to clean that up. Serums, I love serum. I will always take serum. Good cleanser, pretty good cleanser. I mean, the perfume I'm not going to use, but this one I'm really excited about, the Oh So Sweet. So I'm actually only passing along the men's perfume or cologne and the eyeliner, and I'm going to keep all of this. So I'm actually super excited and pleased with this month's Macy's box. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried any of these? Do you like them? I love reading your thoughts and comments down below. Yeah, and especially let me know what you think about this Galactic Problem Solver smudge eraser stick, as I just kind of flit it around without letting it focus. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on that. Yeah, I'm actually more excited than I thought I was going to be, because I wasn't sure when I saw the spoilers. I'm looking forward to next month's box to see what they come up with next, because Macy's has been hitting it pretty good. Even like when they're not on, they're not terrible. So anyway, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes to spend with me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.